Hey guys, it's been a long time, but we're back. It's been a year and now we're traveling again. We're going to go to Mumbai, then we're going to make a stop at Istanbul and then Dubai.
So this is gonna be a fun trip. We're going on Turkish Airlines and we're gonna show you a tour of Istanbul. We're gonna be taking when we get there.
Cut.
Okay, what's the best part of this trip?
Fun.
No, what's the first?
Cheap.
Cheap? That's right. That's my best part. Okay, let's get to the gate.
She's busy on her phone,
I'm talking.
giving a running commentary, a live commentary to Serena.
No, not yet.
We're waiting for our flight.
Is it Chanel number 5 time? You wanna go? Chanel number 5. You ready? Come on, let's do Chanel number 5.
Hey kids, check out this wallet at the airport. It's Gatorade water. Let me try it. Where is it? Here it is. It's good.
Hey, show the kids. Let's see. Oh. All right, let's go to the duty free.
We just went to the duty free and now me and my dad are smelling good.
That's what duty free is all about. Free cologne.
TK1, Layla. What? TK1.
You missed it. We got the hose down.
The
That's
what?
fine.
Yedeklerinizi can edip kadın tarafından yönetilirken sadece acil bir durumda götürülmeyeceğiniz gösteren çocuklarda kadın ekibi tarafından acil bir durumda aktif hale getirilerek otomatik diken tadilatlar yapılır. Kalkış ve iniş öncesi.
Niye kapat? Çok
We made it just in time, with 1 minute to spare. They also gave us this lanyard.
What does it say?
It says departure from Istanbul Airport. And then I guess we're gonna go to all of these.
All right, wow. Okay, let's do it. So this is a bus.
AC!
Where's the AC?
Right here!
It's cold.
It's not cold.
Istanbul is known for the city of cats.
But do not pet them.
They have rabies.
All right, you ready? So first stop is the Blue Mosque on our tour. Let's go take a look. You ready?
Stop.
किती मोठा आहे ना? This is huge. What do you guys think? This looks like it's the replica or blueprint of the mosque. Inside at least. Did you find out what this is?
It was built by,
Built by
Constantine.
Roman Emperor Constantine.
Okay.
The original buildings are gone, but like there's only
Only-
3 columns left.
3 columns, he said.
Yeah, there's 1, 2. Where's the third one?
I don't know.
All right, to the next stop. Third stop in our tour is the German fountain. Let's take a look.
It's cold here, perfect time for chestnuts.
How's it? You like it? All right.
Turkish citizens care about their cats.
What is it, cat food?
Yeah, you have to insert a coin from any country. I don't think they have Canadian, but like whatever.
Works with all coins of all countries.
Yeah, and
Well, at least the cats are fed. All right, let's go.
and then
To the Grand Bazaar. All right, where are we?
Bazaar.
The Grand Bazaar. It's one of the oldest, first malls in history, I think.
I need food.
You just got food. Bela, were you paying attention on how we got in there? Hey, do you know the exit or the entrance?
I know we came from here, then right.
it's that way. It goes down.
From here, right, go right, and go straight.
Okay, we're lost already.
No, I know, right, left, and straight.
All right, let's go try over there.
We're ending off our tour with a complimentary dinner from Turkish Airlines.
So we're waiting for it now, right? What do we got so far?
Pickled
Radish?
radish or cabbage and carrots and coriander with some water, and then dessert like bread, and then we don't know if the water.
All right, let's wait for the main course. The main course. How's the kebab? Do you like the soup?
The soup is pretty good.
This is lentil soup.
I didn't really like this.
No?
It tastes bad at the taste.
Okay, try the kebab.
Okay. That's really good.
All right.
This airport's bigger. This airport is so big. I think it's as big as some small cities.
Yeah. Can you see even the end? I don't know, the kids in at home. Come on, you wimp. You didn't go to the big one. Look, there's a middle right there. That's opening. All right, come. That's enough.
Even though we weren't delayed, my dad took the app and we somehow got free vouchers. So we got fried Popeyes because fried chicken is always good.
Yeah, damn straight.
Hey kids, look at all the stuff we got for free.
We weren't really hungry, but free is free. And Istanbul is a very expensive airport.
We just landed in Dubai airport. Now we're gonna pick up our luggage.
And how are we going to pick it up? We're going to take the train.
Yes.
Wait, turn around. This is the train station. Let's see how we do it. I've never been here before. Have you been to Dubai?
No.
All right.
Nobody has.
All right, let's find out. How was your flight from Istanbul to Dubai?
It was good. I slept half the flight.
Did you watch any movies?
I finished watching Alvin and the Chipmunks from the last flight, and I started Harry Potter, but then I went and fell asleep.
You know what I watched?
What?
The Penguin.
What penguin?
The Penguin.
Penguin? That's the movie's name?
No, it's not a movie. It's a show.
Passengers connecting to
All right, it's coming.
should not board the train.
5 minutes. So what are you doing here? What are you waiting for?
The train.
Why are you waiting for the train?
Baggage reclaims.
All right, let's do it. Do you think our baggage came?
Hopefully.
Train to arrivals and baggage reclaim.
Hey boy, do you think our baggage came?
4 minutes. Passengers
Do you think our baggage came?
on other flights should not board the train and should follow the red connection signs.
Bunty. Bunty. Bunty.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we depart, I'd like to give you some safety information. Seatbelts are fastened.
Uy, mga sinauto tayo na?
cockpit.
Cockpit. When we were boarding on the